It's time we answer a question on your stock in a little segment we like to call Your Stock, Our Take. Buy, sell, or hold.
Sangoma Technologies, this is your bonus pick today. The last year it's up 56%. Over 5 years, nearly 500%. So here's another beautiful chart and a nice looking company.
Yeah, it's been a great holding for us. Flies under the radar, but I mean it's a good solid unified communication business, providing VoIP-based phone systems for a business environment, all the type of voice data and communications that you need on open source software systems. They just made a transformational type acquisition for the business of a company called Digium, which owned the Asterix platform. So a very under the radar story. This company a year ago this year just did about 57 million in revenues. It's going to do 100 million this year going forward. So tremendous growth in terms of revenues. Earnings or adjusted EBITDA, the company is forecasting about 9 to 10 million this year. So that's a 50% rise from what we saw last year. When you have growth at that, trading at relatively reasonable valuations, we believe based on their guidance going forward, their adjusted EBITDA guidance going forward, it's probably worth $1.60 to $1.70 right now, and that's not with any further acquisitions. They've been it is difficult to be a growth by acquisition story because your return on capital has to be great with those businesses you buy to make sure that the dilution from share issues, to make sure you'll be able to grow earnings on a per share or grow cash flow on a per share basis. They've done that really well, walked that tightrope and done it well. We think with this acquisition, which is transformational to them, they will continue to do that going forward. There's the recurring revenue base has moved up to about 35% over the course of this year now. So again, we love those companies with those recurring revenues, and I think it just trades at reasonable valuations and trades under the radar. There's basically no coverage on the company right now, so it's one of those that we'll hold for 2 to 4 years, let management do their thing, grow earnings over time, and I think it will continue to perform well over time.